Seattle boat locks, I saw a Giant Western Pacific Tugboat head through the Seattle boat locks again, coming in from Puget Sound to head down to the Fremont Cut / Salmon Bay Cut to probably hook up to a barge or something, because it looked like they were getting ready to go do a job, because they had their gear that goes with their winch to haul things behind it. They had their hooking up equipment out on deck and helmets and gear that they use to haul stuff. So they were heading in to hook up their next job and go to where they were going to go. I didn't see them leaving, but this is just them coming into the Fremont Cut / Salmon Bay Cut, and I hope you guys enjoy this video of this Giant Western Pacific Tugboat. Titan getting ready to head out into the Fremont / Salmon Bay Cut.
George, and I did. gets wet where you
I hope you guys enjoyed me bringing you down to the boat locks to see this giant Western Pacific tugboat head through the Seattle boat locks, and I always love seeing these giant tugboats go through the boat locks because they are so cool. I love when the captain hits the throttles on them because of the deep gurgly sound they make, and they also kind of have a little clunking sound, but it's really cool. Maybe someday I'll own some tugboats for one of my companies in the future, but we'll just have to see. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this giant Western Pacific tugboat heading through the Seattle boat locks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon down below so you can be notified when I upload videos. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you guys for watching, and if you ain't dreaming, you ain't living. Don't forget to dream big.